Ko Tongariro te maunga, ko whanganui te awa, ko te aroa te waka, ko Ngāti Tuwhare te iwi, ko Ngāti Manunui te hapu, ko Pukawa te marae, ko te hiuhu te tangata, ko Stevie Manunui a hau, no reira tēnā koutou katoa. Kia ora, my name is Stevie Manunui. I'm a year 10 at Tauhara College. I was proud to have been raised in a te reo Māori environment, meaning I'm bilingual, and I've also had many opportunities in the community through organisations like Kids Greening Taupo and Taupo Winter Festival. One of my dreams for the future of the Taupō District would be for us to be leaders in sustainability through the well-being of our tangata and our whenua, so through our people and our whenua and our land. Also, my goal is to have te ao Māori at the heart of the community and at the heart of everything we do. So for me, it's not just about the language, it's about the culture, the traditions, the stories, also just about having a deeper connection with the whenua, our ancestors, our whakapapa, and where we came from. For councillors to be approaching youth about their perspective on stuff. This might look like having a youth representative in the council team. The council represents all of our district, including our rangatahi, so we need people that can plan for the future as well as addressing the issues of today. So we need councillors that can make Taupo a place that youth want to inherit when we're older.